Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other best website you can claim your Faucet claim. Faucet or BTC just in every 50 minutes or 5 minutes. They pay you instantly in your Coinpot account, and you can withdraw from Coinpot to any cryptocurrency wallet you want. Okay, and let's get started. This is the website name is bonusbitcoin. This website link in description. Click the link and come here, just register yourself. Put your Coinpot Gmail account in this website and you can earn from that. Okay, if you don't have a Coinpot account, you can easily just search Coinpot and easily making a Coinpot. This website is very easy. Just solve a capture. Okay, just click I'm not robot in fire irate, and you just click fire irate and click claim now, and they claim your free Satoshi. Okay, every 50 minutes you come here, claim your Satoshi. They pay you earn up to 5,000 Satoshi. Okay, they pay me 66 Satoshi, 3 Satoshi received to my Coinpot account. They pay me instantly. Okay, I come to Coinpot account to show you this website pay me 100% or not. Okay, I reload the Coinpot to show you. Okay, and this is the BTC and this is the bonus Bitcoin, pay me 3 Satoshi. Okay, this is very easy. Just claim, they pay you instantly into your Coinpot account. Okay, and up to this much Satoshi every 50 minutes. And this website link you will be found in description, and this is very easy. Just solve a letter capture and you can earn your coin instantly in Coinpot. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos too. Bye bye.